Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hello guys, how you guys doing? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good night, wherever you are, all over the world. My name is Victor Anyanwu and they call me the social media oracle. Today I'm talking about what I always talk about, social media. Okay, there's this, you guys know these reels, right? Reels everywhere, everybody's doing reels all over reels. All right, so I just want to talk about reels. I did a little analysis for some of the brands that we manage and some things that we advise them to do when creating videos and all those reels, right? Some of the things that we're also implementing for some of those brands. Okay, so I felt, okay, well, we've done this for them. Let me share it with you. Okay, now, how do you create reels that are engaging and reels that convert, right? Number one, understand that Instagram is currently focusing on pushing reels, right? Instagram wants to play big in the video space. Reels, it's a 15-second, 30-second video, right? Because they are also competing with TikTok, right? The TikTok video thing, right? Good. So reels is 30 seconds. Okay, so 15 seconds, you can also make it 30 seconds. All right. So because of that, because they want to push, because they are competing in that space, it means that if you do a reel, Instagram will automatically give you that push. All right. So you will get that instant algorithm push. You will appear in algorithms, you will appear in people's pages. The algorithm will just be happy with you and be ready to push you, as long as your reel is entertaining, it's educative, it's connecting with the audience. Okay. And okay, another thing is, when you watch those reels, you see that down, that down place. At the end of watching the reels, you see click to watch more. All right, so you watch more reels, so people can actually sit and watch more and more and more of your videos, of your reels. All right, they'll still see some other people's own, but you're able to watch more and more of that. You understand how that actually works. So it has its own platform. All right, so you can decide not to watch videos. You can just decide to focus on reels. You can avoid regular posts and just focus on reels all through. Do you understand? So there's this current push for reels. So how do we create reels that connect? How do we create reels that work? How do we create reels that the Instagram algorithm will love? How do we create reels that our audience will love? That's what I'm talking about today, and you will see me talk about it in a minute. Remember to call your friends. Remember to click subscribe, like, comment, share this video. All right, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, inviting your friends. See, we can only grow when you help us grow. All right, we share content, you like the content, like it, comment. It helps us, it helps our visibility, it helps more people to see it, and it encourages us to do more. Do you understand? So please do that on this video. All right, thank you very much. So step one, your videos have to be very entertaining. You see all those guys that always dance and do all those all those kind of things that they do. It works. I'm telling you, it works. All right, so look for ways to create entertaining videos. All you people that dance, keep dancing. Dancing is good. All right, you will lose weight, you will be fit, your heart will be happy, and Instagram algorithm will be happy too. Your audience will be happy too. All right, dance is good. So be entertaining, fun, make your videos interesting to watch, make it fun, make it grab attention, and make us laugh. All right, we like comedy, so if we're laughing, it's good. If it's funny, it's good. If it's somewhat just make it entertaining. Let me just put it that way. All right. I don't say too much about that. Entertaining. That's just basically it. All right. Understand that, as I always say, people do not come to Instagram to buy things. People do not come to Instagram to learn things. People come to Instagram to be entertained, right? They're just looking for amebo, right? But while looking for amebo, what happens? They can learn. They can buy things. Do you understand? So you have to find a way to make your content connect with what they are already looking for, or what they're already there for. They're already there for entertainment. So find a way to make your content be entertaining, right? And understand this: every post online, right, from your blog post to your LinkedIn post, your social media post, the Instagram post, Facebook post, every post has a basic thing to make it work. One, the hook. All right, the hook is how you create your heading, right, or how you create the how will I call it? Maybe your headline, right? So it becomes very attractive, and it hooks me enough. I want to stay to watch what is going to happen next, right? Then the body is where you give us the meat of the information, right? Then the end, where you conclude, maybe tell us to click one link, or tell us to watch more, or tell us to subscribe, or all that crap that you guys want to do, right? Whatever you want to do, you tell us, at the end. Do you understand? So, but this is how it works. So the hook, it stops us. We're scrolling before, the minute we see that hook, we're like, whoo, what you talking about here? Let me see it. So that can come from your heading, that can come from the cover page of your reel. So every video you post, you can create a cover page and upload. So some of you create videos, and after creating those videos, when you post it, you notice that it is black. So we're just coming to the page and we're just seeing that black thing at the background. You can actually remove that with the cover, cover page, right? Create a cover page with a different title that is attractive and will stop us in our tracks. Okay, then show us the body of the video. Yeah, we see, we learn, we're entertained. Okay, before you close. Okay, remember, you have to be entertaining, you have to be inspiring, you have to be motivating, you have to show us something that we would really love to see. If not, we'll skip it. And the more we skip, Instagram will realize we hate the video. And if we hate the video, algorithm will hate you too. So even if you are creating reels that we hate, algorithm will hate you because you are not doing stuff that we love. All right? Algorithm is favoring us. It wants to push things that we love. So whatever you can do, right, to help you deal, right, to help you connect with us, the audience, to help you touch our senses emotionally, right, that would make us want to continue, will make us want to watch that. That is what the algorithm will love. So that's what you should be doing. All right? Okay, let me just give you a little brief of how algorithm works. You post. Algorithm takes that your post and shows it to some people, and this, it sees how they respond to it, right? If those people do not respond nicely, right, it takes it again and shows to another set, right, to see how they respond to it. If those ones don't also respond nicely, algorithm can just abandon your post and leave it there. So some people probably just scroll through your timeline and maybe see the post and say, okay, maybe they like it or they don't like it, right? But when your post is shown to people, if it doesn't connect with them as soon as it is shown, if they don't do anything on the post, if there's no engagement, no like, no comment, none of that, they didn't watch it, if they didn't sit down and actually consume that content, right? If they didn't spend time on that content or on that page, right, the algorithm will not be happy. All right, so that's how the algorithm works, because it wants to keep people on the page. So whatever you are creating, same thing with YouTube videos, Facebook videos, whatever you are creating, just think, the platform wants to keep people on the page. So whatever you can do, whatever you need to do to keep people on the page, that is what they want. Do you understand? That's what they want. So inspiring, motivating, entertaining, that's what they want. That's what will keep people on the page. Never heard before. It's something new. Ooh, I've never heard of this before. Fine. They would like it. They'll be on that page. They'll watch it 2 or 3 times. Yes. Okay. New information. Ooh, I've not seen this before. Yes, they'll be on your page. Fine. Right? But it has to connect in a way first that they would like to watch, so that they will not find out that all of this is interesting info that you are sharing. Do you understand? Good. Now, another point is you need to be using the creative tools for reels. There's some creative tools, there are some texts, there's some funny things you can do, different effects, that they have there, different texts, ways that they can share all those things, different text arrangements, there are even captions, all of that. So test all the things. Just look to your left when you're doing your reels. If you look to your left, there are several things there that you can actually test. Okay? So learn to use all those effects. Okay, you try this one, see how it looks. You don't like it, try the next one, see how it looks. You might like it. All right, so when you keep trying like that, you keep creating different forms of that particular thing that you're creating. All right, so it could come out in a different way, the way you like, or the way your audience will like. Do you understand? So if you're creating and thinking about, okay, what would my audience like? Right, so how would they be? What kind of style, what kind of effect do I think they would like? So you test it just to see how it works. So you can do one particular effect, do another particular effect, and compare it. Compare it so that you see how it works. All right, so learn to use all of this. Right now, another beautiful thing that I think most people don't do is people use music, but sometimes you guys just use music that you see. All right, sometimes Instagram can suggest different types of music. Sometimes for some accounts you see Nigerian music, for some other accounts you see foreign music. Good. Now, you can actually save music if you are maybe watching one of those reels that you like. You can save the audio and use the audio in your video. All right, so you're watching a video that you like. All right, the person is using one song that is cool. Let's say a Nigerian song, fantastic Nigerian song. All right, or a trending top 10 song, top 10 hits, on the music charts, music billboards. All right, that song is fantastic. It's trending. You now pick that song, all right, and you use it. The beauty of that is because it's a trending song, people will probably be listening to that song. So people want to listen to it. All right. So trending songs, when you create a video with a particular song, most times it goes under there's a creation panel for all this, all the reels that have used a particular song. Right. So if it's a trending song, if it's a song that people are searching for, people are listening to, what you would have is your song goes there. Your reel goes there, right, in that saved place. And because people are searching for that song, maybe to save it or to watch it or whatever, right, they get to see your performance, right? You get what I'm saying? Now, look at it. Let me repeat that. A trending song. You use the trending song on your reel, right? That trending song saves your reel, all right? Instagram saves your reel to a like a library, all right, of different songs, all right, a library of different reels attached to that song or that use that song. Do you get what I'm saying? Instagram saves your reel to a library of different reels that use that same song. So people can actually go there, see the song, and go down and watch all the videos appearing there. So it's like a hashtag kind of thing. Right, so when you use hashtag and everybody that use that hashtag appears under that hashtag, it's the same thing. So you use that song, everybody that use that song appears under it. Do you get what I'm saying? So if you use a trending song, the song is already attracting its own audience. It would also help you. All right. So another thing you could do is remixing. Instagram allows you to remix. Now, somebody can post a video and stop you from remixing the video, or rather post a reel and stop you from remixing the reel, right? So for those that did not stop you from remixing the reel, it means you can remix trending reels. So we've talked about using trending videos. You can also remix trending reels, all right? So this reel is trending, let's remix it, all right? And you do your own part of it, and the trending video is on one side and your own video is on the other side. Do you understand? So just little things like this are things that can help you get more visibility with your reels. Now, do not forget to check what your insights are saying. From your insights, you can tell which of these videos are performing, which of these videos do the audience like, which which type of video maybe what type of sound is connecting to them, what type of sound is working, all right, what type of style or effect is working or connecting with the audience. Do you understand? So you can check out all of this, see what the insights telling you, because you have general insights for your account, then you now have Reels insights. All right, so check out your Reels insights, learn from it, create more of what's working. All right, and finally, this one is the most important thing. Learn to test, because you don't know. All right, you don't know what will work. You just post it and tomorrow is blowing up. Oh, learn to test. Okay, test different things, test different sounds, check out different Nigerian songs, check out trendy Nigerian songs, check out trending international songs. Anything that is trending would definitely help your brand. So learn to test, okay, and let's see how that works. So try this out and let us see how it works for you. That's what I share with my clients, and I'm sharing with you free of charge. They pay me to do it, and I've told them, and I'm sharing with you free of charge. Okay, so what you can do for me is please click the like button, subscribe to this channel so that next time I post a video you can see it, please. All right, invite your friends to join me again next week, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for being here. Remember, my name is Victor Anyanwu, and they call me the social media oracle. You can follow me across all social media platforms at the Oracle VA, at TheOracle. All right, till I come your way again next week, remember, strategies win battles, not weapons. Ciao.